Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today I will let to show you the way how you can duplicate the project on the Canva by iPhone. Just need to download the Canva application on your phone. So make sure that you logged in and sign in with the account that you use to create the project in your personal computer into this application. Wait until it's perfectly open. And right after that, you just need to visit the project. Just tap the project sections right here, and there will bring you into the project collection that you have. So you just need to find which project that you want to duplicate. So let's say here I will let to duplicate this company profile project here. So you just need to tap this three small dot on this documents, and there will be like a make a copy. So you just need to go click it, and the application will start copying these documents or project, and then you just need to go back into your home screen, and the newest copied or duplicate file will be in the left side of this design. So that is the way how you can duplicate the whole project on a Canva application. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.